it's another day. Welcome back to our weekly vlog. So today is actually Halloween, October 31st, and we have a trunk or treat at our church, so we're heading there now to go to it. I washed my hair and I just put it in this little beanie because my hair is still wet. The girls are so cute. Mila is Elsa and Malia is Anna. I get them mixed up, like in real life sisters, how they do. Come on, go. You go. The girls are so cute, and we brought Zoe with us. Zoe has her little, show them Zoe's little outfit. Zoe has her little Halloween outfit with her little pumpkin on. She's coming with us to it. We have to get her a collar because she doesn't have a collar. We've never put a collar on her at all. So we bought her a leash and a collar. We'll see how she acts with it. But we're excited. So I'll show you guys little clips and everything of it. My actual camera died, so I had to record. I'm having to record on my iPhone. So the footage is, that's why. But I'm so excited. The kids, he's excited to go play football, and that's pretty much what he's going for, basketball and football. But yeah, so I'll show you some footage in just a bit. Another day here on the vlog. So today I want to show you guys, I ordered a curl box, and it's called Battle of the Brands curl box. So I ordered this last week and it came in yesterday. So it's basically like, this is outside of your subscription. Like, they send emails all the time about like sales they're having and items they're getting rid of. Stop. Okay, this is better. Okay, to turn it because the lighting was like off. So this is like items that they were getting rid of or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. I got the Eden Body Works deep conditioner, and honestly I think all of this is deep conditioner, just different brands. Y'all know it come with the little pamphlet in there, but I usually thought it was a while. I didn't even look at them. The Palmer's Cocoa Butter deep conditioner, it came with. The Mael protein deep conditioner. I'm so excited about this. I love this deep conditioner so much. Like, oh my god, love this deep conditioner. Love it, love it, love it. The Kenra I never used. The Kenra nourishing mask. Never used this one before. This is I used the Kenra blow dry spray. It smells okay. It smells like a hair product, like a salon hair product, probably because it's more of a higher end. The Curls Professional Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. And last but not least, you got, what is this? Water Activated Advanced Conditioner by Wakati. How y'all say that? Wakati. I went back like elementary. Wakati. Wow, that's pretty bad. So yeah, I got basically a box full of conditioners. I didn't know what it was gonna be when I ordered it. I just saw like, ooh, $30. No, it was like $20 for it, but it's like, I don't know how much it was. I just got it in hopes for me to get more stuff to do content on my channel. So that's what I got it for. So that came in my Battle of the Brands curl box. I'm excited to try. The most I'm excited to try is this Kenra, this one, that deep conditioner. So tonight we're going to be doing some chicken and shrimp pasta. The Johnny Carino's recipe. Since we don't have one here anymore, we're gonna make it from scratch. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm about to send AJ to the store to Albertsons to go get some more chicken because I don't have any chicken. But I did get the shrimp. And I wanted to tell you guys something yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday, but I wanted to tell you guys something yesterday. I said I'm gonna wait till today. I don't remember what it was. If it comes back to me, I'll I'll tell you guys later or something. I don't know. So I went to Sephora and I got this liquid blush I'm so excited about. It's by Rare Beauty and it's the Joy is the color. Is it gonna focus? Joy is the focus, but like I added more, so I did not go to work like this with this much blush. I just added more when I got off of work. I'm gonna add some more to show you guys. It's like a liquid blush and you apply it to your cheeks like so.
Mommy,
and then
you have this?
No, that's too salty. And then you just like use a duo fiber brush and blend it out. And it's a matte blush. And look at how pretty that is, y'all. See? Now I have rosy cheeks. So instead of using the powder blush, I have the liquid blush, and then you can set it with the actual powder blush that I already have that. But I'm so excited about this. So, and last but not least, for the show and tell, I'm gonna show y'all, I got this comforter set from my bedroom. I'm doing plaid Christmas this year. So all my ornaments and everything's gonna be plaid. And y'all saw for fall, I redid my bedroom to orange fall colors. So for Christmas, when I found this at JCPenney today, it was a Black Friday deal. And I got this for my comforters. So all I gotta do is find my accent pillows and my bedroom will be done. So I'm so excited that I got that. And so Christmas, I love Christmas. I love, love, love it. Can't wait. Can't wait for Christmas. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. And then I go to work today. My Malia was sick last night, y'all. I got maybe an hour of sleep last night, literally. So I stayed home with her today. And we're supposed to go to church tonight, but it is actually raining and cold outside. And I don't want to bring her out in this weather. We've been home all day. And she's feeling better. Much better. She was running around the house earlier. But I have a feeling that come tonight, she'll be back feeling not be able to breathe. So her sinuses and all that stuff. So it's supposed to be really cold tomorrow. Like the highs, I think, is 60 here in Louisiana, which is very cold compared to other people up north. So I want to do a soup tomorrow probably, but tonight we're gonna make the pasta that we didn't make last night. So all I really did was just sit around the house. I usually work from home on days like when they're sick, but I started a new position. Well, my new position, I'm not equipped yet to work from home. I need a printer and scanner and all that stuff. So I don't have that. I'll get that probably later this week. For whenever, if this ever happens again, I'll be equipped to not have to use PTO, but be able to work from home. So tonight is gonna be the chicken and shrimp pasta. Michael texted me earlier today, said he wanted to add sausage to it. So we'll be eating chicken, sausage, and shrimp pasta. I'll just pick the sausage out because I don't like that. So he's gonna cook tonight actually. So I was supposed to wash my hair. I know Wednesdays I wash my hair. But my hair still looks good. So it has a lot of volume to it. So I didn't wash it today. I might wash it tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow will be too cold. I don't know. We'll see. Because last week I had to wash my hair twice last week because I just put it in a low ponytail. So I'll probably need to do it this week. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, let's get this cooking started. Hey y'all, so I came home on my lunch break to fix me a sandwich because I'm hungry and I didn't want no fast food. I'm really trying to like stop eating so much fast food and spending all this money. So I brought this little Sara Lee 45 calorie bread and it's a healthy multigrain bread. So I'm make me a sandwich for lunch, work on some editing, and then head back to work. It's supposed to be date night tonight for Micah and I. It's cold out here, hence is why I have a sweater on today. I'm so excited because I like love whenever it's cooler outside. I like the summer, but it's always so hot here and humid, so I'm happy that it's cold tonight. So hopefully we can get a babysitter for the girls for us to be able to go out tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna go to make me a sandwich and see what else happens today. With another haul, same day. Mike and I are not going out to eat tonight for our date because Malia came home with a runny nose, so we don't want to, you know, expose her to anybody unnecessarily if she's truly sick. I think it's just her sinuses, but the lighting in here sucks, and I say this every time I film, but I film right here every time. Turn it this way, a little bit better. So I'm gonna do another curl box unboxing. Yes, 2 curl box unboxings in past 2 videos, 2 or 3 videos actually. I have an obsession with curl box. Y'all want to sponsor me? Get at me. My email address down below. So this is another box that I got. Like, this is outside of the subscription. So I think I knew what was in this box. It wasn't a mystery box, but I got it because I need more products and it's cheaper just to get it through curl box. So I did. I think it's like, I don't know how much I paid for this. I don't even know when I ordered this, but I got it. It came with the shampoo and the conditioner from the Main Choice. I never used this line. I've used the Main Choice plenty of times, but I haven't used this one, which is the F.A.Q collection. So I don't know. It's infused with Venus bark, some other stuff. So I may do a review on this. I may not. I don't know. But I'll do a review. Of course, I use it in my hair, off camera, and also my kids' hair, which is why I have so much hair products, because I have curly hair, Micah has curly hair, Mala Malia has curly hair, and my boys have curly hair. So my whole household has curly, natural hair. Nobody here is relaxed, so that's why I buy so much. And also for YouTube, but we all use like the same products. So, except my good parts, I don't let them use. I'm excited because I will be doing a review on Pattern Beauty. This is really the reason why I brought the box. I've been wanting to try Pattern Beauty for Tracy Ellis Ross for a while, and I got the gel. So, you know what? I'm gonna open it during the review. No, I'm not gonna do it right now. This is just an unboxing. So I got that, and then it came with this small leave-in Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. I've done a review on this maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. I did a review on that. This Wig and Weave Scalp Soother. which would be good if I was getting braids again, but I ain't putting no more braids in my hair for a while. And last is Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. So I got plenty of deep conditioners to last me like the rest of the year, honestly. And I also brought this off of from Target. It's called the Botanica, the Mender to Protein Treatment. So you guys know I always use the F.A.Q protein treatment. So this is a different brand, much cheaper. This was only $5.99 versus F.A.Q I think it's like $20 for the protein and the deep conditioner or whatever, the moisture mask or whatever afterwards. So I'm gonna try that out and see how I like it. But that all came in my curl box, Target. I'm gonna just turn this into an unboxing, like, cause I got packages today. I ordered these socks from Mala and Malia off of Amazon. This is for them to wear like to school, like with their little uniforms that they have. But it's some little socks like this. So I thought they were pretty cute to match their, now that it's getting colder, like when they wear their skirts and stuff, they can wear that to school. And speaking of cold, I got a ceramic heater. We didn't have one for our bedroom, and our bedroom was an addition to our house, so it's not the same connection to the roof, and the insulation isn't the same. So our bedroom was really cold in the winter. So I lost the one I had from the storm, so I got a new one. It's a little smaller one for my bedroom. So hopefully this works with the winter months coming up. But that's what I got in the mail today. Was it? I'm missing something else. I got something else and I don't know what it is. But that's my unboxing of Amazon, Curl Box, Target, all that good stuff. I did my nails last night, y'all. I did some press-ons. I don't really get my nails done. I like press-ons. I told you that before. In the past, I did Malia nails last night. So that's it for tonight. I don't know what we're gonna eat. I really don't know what we're gonna eat because I'm so hungry. I had a sandwich earlier and that just, it held me over, but I'm hungry now. So we'll see. We shall see.
Got the little baby in his hands. He got her out in his hands. He got the little baby in his hands. He got the little baby in his hands. He got the baby in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands.
Y'all, guess who ate all them pieces right there?
Me?
Sitting right in front of the person who ate it all. Big old stack. See my salad right there? I didn't eat it all, but it's okay.
She ate none of it.
I ate some.
She took one bite.
Golly, Mama.